In just 2 months, a YouTube channel called Yellow Chicks exploded to over 2.6 million subscribers. According to Social Blade, it's already earning millions of dollars. But how? It's not because of fancy gear or a big team. It's thanks to one insanely powerful formula: emotionally charged AI-generated videos. This style of storytelling, short, cinematic, and emotional, is going viral right now. Why? Because it connects on a human level. Viewers are hooked from the first second and watch till the last. And guess what? You can do it too. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through step-by-step how to create these viral videos using 100% free AI tools, even if you're starting from scratch. Let's dive in. Step 1. Writing prompts with ChatGPT. We'll start by generating creative, emotional prompts directly in ChatGPT. Here's how. Open ChatGPT. Type something like this: I want you to create a sequence of 6 image generation prompts for a single, continuous baby-saved story that follows a cohesive narrative arc. Designed like a cinematic movie with a consistent wide-angle camera shot from a fixed, ChatGPT will give you a scene description. Something like, a soaked golden retriever limps through a thunderstorm, eyes filled with sadness as headlights appear in the distance. Use prompts like these for generating powerful visual storytelling moments. Repeat this process and come up with 5-6 vivid moments that form a short story arc. Each of these will become one scene in your video. Step 2. Generating images with Microsoft Designer. Now, let's turn those emotional prompts into visuals. Open Microsoft Designer. Set the canvas size to 9:16. Perfect for vertical content like shorts, TikToks, and Reels. Paste one of your prompts into the prompt input box. Click Generate. Designer will give you 4 image options. Pick the most cinematic one and download it. Repeat for all your prompts. You'll end up with a full storyboard made of powerful AI-generated images. Step 3. Animating with Runway ML instead of Hailuo AI. Now it's time to bring your images to life using Runway ML, one of the most powerful AI video tools available. Here's what to do. Go to Runway ML and sign up. Free plan available. Open a Gen 2 project and choose image to video or motion brush. Upload one of your AI-generated images. Paste the same descriptive prompt into the text field. Click Generate. In seconds, Runway will turn your still image into a moving video clip with smooth panning, camera effects, or dramatic motion. Use emotional language in your prompts to improve animation quality. Try camera direction words like zoom in, slow pan left, or shaky cam for more dynamic results. Runway gives free credits, but for more videos, you can create alternate accounts or use fewer scenes. Repeat for all your image scenes. Step 4. Editing the final story in CapCut. Now, it's time to stitch everything together using CapCut, a free beginner-friendly editor. Import all the animated clips from Runway ML. Arrange them on the timeline in story order. Example: dog walking, storm intensifies, headlights appear, joyful reunion. To remove any watermark, slightly zoom in on the video. Add transitions to make your video feel seamless. Step 5. Add sound effects with Pixabay. Sound is key to making your video hit emotionally. Here's how to add the perfect background audio. Go to Pixabay.com. Search for free sound effects and music like thunderstorm, dog whimpering, rain on leaves, soft cinematic piano, heartbeat. Download them and import into CapCut. Align each sound effect with the right moment in your timeline. This will make your video feel alive and emotionally deep. Step 6. Export and publish. Now that your video is ready, export it in 4K or 1080p quality. Upload it to YouTube Shorts or TikTok. Use an emotionally driven title and thumbnail. Example title: The Dog That Waited in the Rain. This will break your heart. That's it. You've just created a complete viral-worthy short film using only AI tools. We used ChatGPT for storytelling, Microsoft Designer for visuals, Runway ML for animation CapCut, plus Pixabay for editing and audio, show final sample video clip with emotional music. We're all about making AI creativity accessible to everyone. So if you like this guide, like, subscribe, and comment what AI topic you want us to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll